come along. Coffee a sun tan in the summer sun. If you a bleacher, go back home. Coffee a sun, because the sun a burn. The hand can never bring it on. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction, guys. Guys, let me just say this quickly. This song was Stormzy dropped. I did react to it, but YouTube blocked it, so I'm trying to dispute it. As soon as it free up, I'm gonna drop it. I know why. I didn't pause it enough. So when you see me pausing and talking, that is to avoid the copyright strike. So I have to pause it like every 10 seconds and try it. You know? That is YouTube. That is YouTube rules. Like certain, especially that song like that, you cannot make it run for over 10 seconds. So that is the problem now. So I upload it 3 times on YouTube, and YouTube say block it. So I say, alright then YouTube. Alright. Sorry YouTube, that wasn't for you. That was a bit too rude. Sorry.
Jade.
As you can see from the title of this video, you know what it is already. Rimzee and Snap Capone, Jada and Styles. That is the song that I'm reacting to today. Guys, this song dropped 5 days ago on 𝐷𝐀𝐿. Big up 𝐷𝐀𝐿, but just I react to it now because this is how I do my thing. I don't run with the hype. I make everybody do them reaction first, and then me do it. I haven't heard this song. I've seen reaction, but I haven't watched them. But I've seen other people reacted to it and post it on them channel. But me not watch them. Honestly, me not watch them. So after this reaction video record, I might watch some of them. All right. So before we do anything else, do this. Yeah. Like before you watch, that is the golden rule, man. You should have known that already. I know, so we have the lighter here, and we have my water fresh and cold out of the fridge. So this song is doing numbers on 𝐷𝐀𝐿, so I say, why not react to it? Because I love my reaction, and I love reacting photo. Fire, we don't need the water, make the water, that shit. And that's how you go. We don't need no water, make them mother effer burn. That you fool it. Anyway, let's jump into this and start it. I will be pausing it quite a lot, so just bear that in mind. Headphone turn up. Bradford, England. Alright. Bradford, man, them out.
Bitch blowing like a horn. Big stick clip filled up with corn.
Hold on. Ease. Me like how them jumping. Bitch blowing like a horn. You hear the horn on the front. It's a FRD, boys. I don't know what that means. It's a mutant, a baseball bat. So it's a balaclava with gun finger. You can't see baseball bat. See baseball bat. There. Yeah. Aye. Ooh, did not. Not hot. It's well hot. I'm gonna jump back in there anyway. Sorry, people.
I'll make your mum wish she was never born. In a trap, Pyrex and a stove. Do the roll ting and rap ting. Niggas just acting.
The man say, yo, listen, I will make your mother wish you never bad boy, cause you go dead. You go dead for your birthday too, no youth. You know, say you go dead for your birthday, that means you never did for born. You see me? You're in the trap and I act like say you're some gangster brother. Like, this is what it is. It's over here, it's happening, bro. Like, we are the man. That the man I say basically in a female.
In a trap, Pyrex and a stove. Do the roll ting and rap ting.
In the trap house with the pirates dish on the stove. So basically, him a cook up him thing. Me know the thing. Don't ask me how me know. Me know. Him a cook up him thing. That the man I say yes. Him cooking up him thing. You see me?
Niggas just acting. Just got the packs in. Break it into fractions.
Him don't cook the thing now. He don't cook the thing now. Him a go mince it up here now. So 8's a 3.5. Half a 7.
Nope.
No. Q a 7. Half a 14. 1 a 28. got them right. So basically, man, say, yo, he mix up everything, you know, everything I get minced up. You understand? Yeah, everything I get minced up after I cook it up. Look, some nice car out there, brother. Me see a Bentley over here. Is that Bentley? That's a Bentley. That's a Bentley. RD. What is VW? That nothing. Take out that.
Okay.
And next RD. Benz truck. Some bike. Why? Take out this. This nothing. Take out this. Video. Yo, Bradford youth, them a do the thing. Big up Bradford, man, them.
One glove, hold a stick, Michael Jackson. 4 pipes on the Aston, brown girl, Tony Braxton. All the 10 tops with them 5 bottoms.
Man say. I forgot to him say. Him just say something about Tony Braxton.
Packs in, break it into fractions. One glove, hold a stick, Michael Jackson. 4.
One glove, hold the stick. You see me? One glove, upon the thing. One glove, upon the stick. So you know, say one and them a hold it with. You see me?
Pipes on the Aston, brown girl, Tony Braxton.
4 pipe on the Aston Martin. 4 pipes, 4 exhaust. See that? 4 exhaust. Brown girl, Tony Braxton in the front seat with him. That the boss I say.
All the 10 tops with them 5 bottoms. If I run out, then my guys got 'em. Pull up looking like the Black Gotham. Trap house, ton of mix and a hydraulic.
The man say, yo, if me run out a bullet, then me G over here so have him. You know, see a straight pellet him I get in and you go, dagat. You see me? So if me run out, which is very unlikely, cause me very prepared for this, boy I got dead and I me I tell, ask your grandmother, mother, which is your great grandmother, boy I got dead and I me I tell that the man I said dog. If me run out, which is very unlikely, me dog them have him. Me dog them I go burn up him skin. Them know me burn up them skin. The whole of them pussy they afraid of me. Me say the whole of them pussy they afraid of me. Cause anyway Gaza shell down a corner, me not get the Let's go.
Some are gonna die when the 80 sky. Knife work in his chest and pull it out like Katie Price.
Ooh, that's grimy. The man say, yo, knife work in his chest. Knife work in his chest and pull it out like Katie Price. Katie Price there, she do her breast. Surgeon, brother, plastic surgeon in your chest, boy. Ooh, pull it out like, yo, bars. Wordplay, bar, me like that.
Grab my stick, double tap it, won't see no lights. Chrome 9 shines brighter than casino lights.
Man say, yo, grab a stick, I'm knock it 2 times. You're not gonna see no light in a brother. Because the way it go happen so fast, you go dead, brother. You go dead. You see me? My chrome shot. Yo, my chrome 9 in a brother. Shine brighter than casino light in a brother. Say, pretty, you know. My gun pretty, my gun nice and pretty, you know, youth. You see me? Money, expensive gun, this and a dog. That's what he said, not me. What him name? What the one of the blue tracksuit name? Snap Capone that dog. I'm gonna take a guess and explain in the comment section who is who. I think that is Snap Capone. Next one is Rims.
M&SN, Skelly AP, smashing bricks like it's Tetris. Drug dealing meetings and lectures. Used to drive veterans. Now
a drug dealing meeting and lectures. They used to drive vectors. Where am I drive now?
I'm in a Porsche GTS on the headrest.
Yeah.
I just had to bar for some petrol. Had to dump the mash, burn the rental.
Man say, I fi burn the mash and dump the rental. So you know, so the man them now go ride out in them own car. Them I go get rental and rental company I go ball because them I go burn them I go burn it up. Rental company I go ball because me not drive out in my car. No trace, no face, no care. Just send a bad girl go rent a car and forward rifle. Hey boy, I'm ready. What? Ooh. What are the nice man?
I just fill my clip up with devils. I just broke a brick down in Pebbles.
Me and Snap, we like Jada and Styles.
So him said me and Snap. So in my rims, he must snap. In my rims. Next one I snap. The man say, he must snap, just break it. Yeah, me get it now. Oh, not for bother explain in the comment section. Thanks, me get it now. Thanks.
Me and Rims will bring it to your house.
Catch a case, gotta take it to trial.
Man say, yo, we bring it. At your yard, we are forward. At your yard, we coming to your yard with it. We coming to your yard with it. Referring back to Stormzy and Chip. He didn't. Oh, no, we didn't go there. Oh, yes, I did. No, we did. Oh, yes, I did. No, we did. Oh, yes, I did. Shut up. I went there. And I'm not going back. I went there. Oh, I went there. Shut up. Leave me alone. Man say, yo, I'll be bringing it to your house. Me and Rims, never knock by your door. We are kicking in your door. Cross.
We still play with keys, Ray Charles.
Yo, no games, 2 drills in a day. Fizzy and the tray, they hop the fence when we came. I start feeling law. I don't drive by, I hop out this car.
Man, say me two friends up the fence. Up the fence, when we, brother, we mean business. When I come knock on the door and say, is Mark in? Is John in? Ma, when I come knock, we are come kick off your door and jump over your fence, brother. We have to catch you some place. If we don't catch you, we have to catch a girl in the backyard and a sunbathe. Even though I'm not summer, you know, still. But you don't know, we're going to catch you somewhere, brother. If I see your dog outside and play in the backyard, we're going to bust him throat like goat. You know the thing go... Not kill no dog, you know. I'm not expect nobody to kill no dog, but you know the thing go. The man say, yo, that's how go on, really and true. Him say something else.
When we came, I start feeling law. I don't drive by, I hop out this car.
Man say, yo, me not drive by, brother. Drive by, you feel coward, brother. Drive by too quick. More make sure say the job done. More make sure say the job done. So guess what I go on now? I go hop out of the car. I'm going to walk up to you and put 2 in your face. If you don't like it, bite it. 2 in your face. You see me? That you get, brother. That you get. Know yourself, brother.
Shoot like Suave on the real top boy, no acting. Rolls of the rap thing, these niggas just rapping.
Real top boy, no acting. Top boy, the top boy serious. Big up Asha them and Kano them. Top boy, the infamous series, but the last series was in Jamaica as well. I don't know. Big up. You know, the yard man was like, yeah. The man said, no acting, brother. Not top boy thing. A real thing, this, brother. A real thing, this. Boy, I go pit out them pit. Boy, I go pit out them teeth a ground. Ching-ling. You see me? Yeah, brother. The last person I go see in your life are me. Come here, I go take it from you. 3 points. Gone, snatch. Gone, man. I go pick you up. Body tag, toe tag. Real devilish.
No less than 30 in this Mac. Benz out the showroom, it came with a cap.
Mac of 39. No less than 30, brother. You get, if a man sharp, you will get 45 when a brother come. We run out the 30 and just reload it again and give you some more because I just feel like, you know. Me do it, you know. Me will do it. I will do it. That man I said, not me. Big up Rims.
Before they locked me, 3 hand things, 2 dotties, 20 with more power than Tommy. I'm on the
more power than Tommy. Word play this song. Power, Tommy Egan, word play. Power. Yeah, nice. Bars. Water. Nice.
Build act, these niggas on the bench, tryna pull it on the head, they're tryna pull it on the neck. When I die on my block, I need a statue. I went to war for this hood, I fought battles.
Man say, yo, me a hero in my community. What I'm tell you, everybody know me. When me dead, want a statue, yes sir. Nobody, everybody's supposed to know who me is. Want a statue. You see me? The ice cream man, I look a bit dodgy still. £50 note I going in what that Gucci bag. Alright, no, Louis V bag. That brother I look a bit dodgy. I wonder if I weed him and sell out an ice cream pan. I weed the boy I sell out an ice cream pan in the dog. You want to chop in an ice cream pan in the yo creativity. Police and I say that to him. I am a do it and I me not inform but you can see it. And I mean.
And off this hood line I made a killing. And ain't no one ever done it like I did it. I just had to bath with some petrol.
Oh, remember the movie? Was it Friday? Was it Friday with Smoky Night? Friday with Big Worm. Friday at Big Worm in the ice cream van, but Big Worm, a weed man and Smokey owe me money. Yeah, that movie. See, that nice concept. I got it.
Had to dump the mash, burn the rental.
I just fill my clip up with devils. I just broke a brick down in Pebbles.
Me and Snap, we like Jada and Styles.
Yo, I like the music video. It's simple. The man them not kill up themselves. The rhythm nice. The rhythm a knock sweet. Rhythm a knock sound. It's not the hype up, fast up rhythm. Man, this is rap. The man them a rap, brother. The man them a rap. I'm not talking about wrapping paper or Christmas wrapping or you know, a proper wrap the man in my wrap. Yeah, wrap.
Rims rule, bring it to your house.
Catch a case, gotta take it to trial.
Whoa, Bentley Chuck. Bentley Chuck. You look at the breeder car, some more car forward, man. So next Range over the forward. Yo, the man them have some nice car, brother. Big up the Asian man, them, brother. Cause you can see a big Asian man. I look over there, side of the corner. At the corner over there, so. You can see them youth here, you know. Them youth are the big man, then. Watch them. You see them? Them youth here. Big them up. Don't know on themselves, but big up on themselves, brother. You see man, them just casual and just lean up there. And them man, they are the G, the dog. You can see the brother. Yes, dog.
Don't play with keys, Ray Charles.
Yo, nice video. Nice video. Like the video. Nice video. Nice rap. Nice and cool rap. People, if you don't enjoy the one, please leave a like. But no, you should have liked it already. Nobody like it. Nobody like it at all. Nobody like it at all. Big up the people them where I drop the request them in the thing. I have not time to do my research yet and go do anything on the request. What you tell me if you do. But big up on yourself, and the Stormzy one will be dropping as well, I promise. I'm disputing it. If it take 3 months, me I dispute it, cause that video too bad not to drop it. So me I gonna drop it. So guys, if you enjoy that one, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click the link in my bio, and subscribe to my gaming channel if you're into gaming, cause I do stream. Alright, so guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Alright, peace.